everyone. Today is my 16th day of 90-day challenge of spoken English. Oh, I forget to introduce myself. My name is Sweetie. I am from Haryana, and being a Haryanvi, it is difficult to speak English. Of course, because I didn't, as I told you, I didn't have environment to speak English with anyone. So I took this challenge, and you know what? I have been doing this challenge for 15 days, and it will be very a good thing for me. And like, as I'm doing work for 15 days, so I can find my mistakes. You know what I do after making videos for this challenge. I do analyze my performance and what are the mistakes I did in this video, so I can overcome these mistakes in my next video. So of course I can learn things from this challenge. So like, in the starting, when I started making video for this challenge, I was feeling bit nervous, and I skipped my practice part in front of mirror. But now I'm used to of making videos, I'm used to editing, and I'm used to speaking in front of camera. So I do my mirror practice, and then I come to make video for my challenge. And in the starting, when I started making video for my challenge, I spoke fast because I was feeling nervous, and my mind was like, you had to be complete your video as you could. And now it is not like that. Of course, I'm used to, as I told you, I'm used to making videos, I'm used to in front of to speak in front of camera. I just want to make myself that mean, whenever I speak, when I want to speak, I just want to be make my, make my level, make my mind same all the time. It does it I don't like that. Whenever I speak in front of camera, whenever I speak with myself, then I am okay. And if I start talking with anyone or in front of camera, then I start feeling nervous. No, I just want to be same. I just want to be same my pace at all the, at all the places whenever I speak. So that's why. And in the starting, like, when I started speaking, so in the starting I spoke fast. But now today, like in my previous videos, but now today, I can really feel my, this change in me. And that's why I speak bit slow and bit like in a slow pace, and while enjoying, I am enjoying while speaking, seriously. And it is. And I'm before making this before, sorry for this noise, because I don't have mic, and there's a so noise outside my house, that's why. But it's okay, I'm enjoying, and I'm enjoying, then you should also enjoying. because you have to be watch my videos, so that's why. And it's really, like, before making this video, I made a video for uploading, and so it was like, it was not as much as good I can. So that's why I again opened my camera, and I started making a new video. And in this video I am feeling, but like, more enjoying than that one. So, and the second thing is that, uh, like, when I before making this video, when I was doing my practice, so I can feel that change. Like, whenever I speak slow, whenever I speak in a, in a slow pace, in a calm pace, so my mind can get time to overcome my nervousness. Like, as I told you, I watch videos in YouTube for improving my skills. Though there is a channel, there is a ma'am, Elena Rice. So I watched her videos, and I really love the way he speak. Sorry, she speaks. I'm really sorry. Like, whenever she speaks, so in a very calm way, in a slow pace, I just want to be really love that part. Whenever she starts speaking, so that's why. And in what I mistakes I did, what mistakes I did whenever in my previous video, when I started speaking, like, I started speak fast. so it is not good thing. And that's why, like, our mind could not get time to, to heal that nervousness while we started speaking fast. I can feel this thing. That's why now I'm okay. Now it is like ki, now my mind can relieve, like my mind can overcome my that fear of, speak fast. And now I'm okay. And you can, of course, you can also feel now, like today I'm doing well than my other days. I don't know, but I can feel it. And of course it is, suppose I was not doing good, so I will in my next videos, because it is a challenge of 90 days. And I really hope that after 90 days, I just want to get that big change in me. And that's what I want. That's why I took this challenge. And so I'm really happy that I'm doing great. And if you really if you really like my efforts, so please stay tuned with me. And thank you so much that I have 51 subscribers. And I didn't expect these subscribers and like, and watching. But I have. Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you so much. And Jai Hind. Stay tuned with me.